Hello, good morning, teachers. Now, today what we will do, we will try to create a quiz using Google Forms. So let's see step by step how it works. So go to Google, type Google Forms, enter. You get over here Google Forms create. So you get that create. After that, this is the one. Go to Google Forms. So click go to Google Forms. Now I have created some of my quizzes and all that. That's why everything will be saved into your Google Drive. When you go to your account, your school account, onto the right hand side, that dots are there. No, if you click there, you will get all the apps that Google has. In that also, you will get directly Google Forms. Okay, so that there is a Google Drive also. So in that drive, all our work is getting saved. So now I'm going to start a new form. So I'm going to start a new form. So now over here there's an untitled form. So first you write down some title over here. Let's say I'm going to create a quiz on ammonia. Ammonia. Okay. Write a description. That is optional to you. If you want, you can write. You need not write also. So quiz on ammonia. Okay. Then after that, these are the buttons now. This is the addition button. Add a question. This is import a question. Then add title and description. Image you can put in. Then you can add some video if you want, and then one more section also if you want to add, you can add. So I'm going to put one question. This is a multiple choice, so put a question over here. So you can say that ammonia dissolves in water to form ammonia dissolves in water to form uh, a solution which is the option 1. So click over here option 1, and you'll get with the option 1 you can say acidic in nature. Then you go for the second one, add option, so that is a neutral in nature. And you want a third option, then you can say basic alkaline in nature or basic in nature. Okay. This is how you can add your questions. Then in this field is required. That means this is on. Without that, you cannot go ahead. So mandatory. Now there's a next question you want to add. So put this plus sign. So add next question. Next question, I want to put my image. So I'm going to click on this icon. Then you'll get upload camera by URL. You can paste photos from your this thing. Google Drive, if you have some images, Google image. Directly you can go to the image search also. So I'm going to go to my computer. So browse. And let's say I have this image. Okay, I'm going to get this image. This is also very friendly assessment tool. You can make lots of quizzes by using this. This is this thing. Now I'm going to put a question onto this. That is, this is an assembly for the preparation of ammonia gas. So I'm going to put a question. That is, the reaction flask is kept in an inclined position. Now option 1, why? Because it saves fuel. Understood how to put this thing, then add another one. So and then you can use it key also over here. It saves fuel, or otherwise what you can say, it prevents water vapor trickling water vapor trickling into the flask, and thus avoids breaking of the flask. Now third option, if you are on the third one, because you can say it gives maximum yield. So likewise, you can put your questions over here, right? And now over here, one more question if you want to put, you can put one more question over here. Another image you want to put, you can put another image also. So for the image, you will come over here, or you can even go over here. So image. Uh, Again, I am having from my this thing. You can get it from your this thing also. Mm, from Google also by using Google image search. Okay, let's put this image. I hope it is helping you all making some worksheets or quizzes like that online. Next one is this image I am putting up. The observation of the experiment shown below is, now what is the observation of the experiment shown below? So you can put now option one, let's say, that is ammonia is heavier than air. Second option, you can say ammonia is highly soluble in water. Third option, you can say ammonia. Third option, now see what is happening over here. You have to click over here, and that's it. So ammonia is acidic or is basic in nature. Basic or alkaline in nature. Okay. Likewise, you can give this. Now how to, and this field is very required, mandatory question. Without that, they cannot go ahead. So you just have to check that everywhere you have to on this. Okay. Now after this, what you do, you have to go here over here in the settings. So go in the settings, general settings, collect email addresses. If you need, you can check this. Require sign in. So if you want to limit to one response, they have to go into the Google their account, and then they have to answer this. Edit after submit, that will not give the control to the students. See summary, chart and text responses, you can do that, but they should not be able to see the summary and the text responses of other students also, because other students are going to write their name, isn't it? Now presentation, show progress bar, shuffle question order, that you can say that, and show link to submit another response, so we can give them another response also. Now quizzes, here you have to on this, make this a quiz, right? Or you have to on this. First it was off like that, so on it, then now it will be like a quiz. Immediately after each submission, release grade, so that they like it, no, it's kind of reward. Then respondents can see missed question, correct answers, rest all the things you can keep it like that, and then you can go for save. Now over here we have not made a arrangement for this thing. What is that? Name. So we will have to make arrangement for the name. So we'll have to add over here one question in the beginning itself, that is your name. Your name. And give that as a short answer. Yeah, give that as a short answer. So that's it, done then. So this particular field is very important. In the beginning only we should have done that, but now I thought, just remembered. So you can just get this at anywhere in between. You can add questions, suppose if you're going in a sequence also. All right, so this is your quiz. Now we have to give the answers to this quiz, no? So we have already gone into the settings and we have done that. If you want to have a preview, there's a preview button. You can check everywhere you have put the required field. Yes. So now we have to do the answers for this. So how do we do the answers? No, no. We go to the answers over here. Ammonia dissolves in water. 1 minute. We have not come out of the preview, I think. Mm, okay, so we are here over here and we have already converted this to this thing. So you click over here, answer key. So you click over here, answer key. So first allot points. You can allot 1 point, 2 point, see 3, 4, like that. Whatever points we have decided. I'm going to allot 2 points per answer, and then you give the answer. That is ammonia dissolves in water to form a solution which is uh, over here, basic or alkaline. So you mark the answers over here after putting into the quiz, right? That is the settings. Then next one. Then again allot marks over here. So marks are over here. That is 2 marks, and then uh, answer. That is sorry. Then the answer. It prevents the water vapor. Uh, there is something. Suppose you want to edit over here, so you can even edit over here also. Okay. So and this is done. Or you can even edit later also. Doesn't matter. Then next one. Answer for this. Over here, just click it and then you get the answer. Now you don't want this other option, so we remove it. Then answer key, there are 2 points, so 2 points you give it, and then you write tick click the dot will appear over here, highly soluble in water. That is what it conveys, the observation. And then done. Okay, so there your quiz is done right now. 3 questions only. We have many questions you can do. Okay, now suppose if I want to go over here. Okay, and I want to do some changes. So like it prevents water from trickling. So from water vapor from trickling back into the flask. Suppose if I go back into the flask. Okay, into the flask, and thus avoids breaking of the flask. That's it, and then it's done. We have already seen this, and if you want now you can just, what do you do over here, you have to go into the send. Okay, go to the send. Before that also I can also tell you one more thing, that if you want to have some nice image over here, so you can put some image over here also in the beginning itself over here. So if you want to put image to your this thing, so you can put image, it will come as this thing. So now go to the send and go to the third one, this, and you will get a nice long URL. So you don't want such a long URL, so shorten the URL, tick mark over here, and wait for some time for the thumbnail to get created, and then you right click and copy it, and then you go back to your this thing. Yeah, then you can copy paste that into your what do you call that, your browser or something like that. Okay.